You're happy.
Yeah.
And you pick the star.
Oh. Ellie, you're gonna make stars?
Papa, look.
Yeah.
For mommy.
Wow, you make it flat. That's
Papa.
pretend like a doll. And you're gonna make some pizza for mommy and dada, right?
Papa. Mama gonna do this.
Huh?
Nothing now.
You want to remove it?
Papa.
Remove this side first.
Oh, yes.
See?
Oh,
Oh,
I
like
think
that.
what's wrong?
You did it wrong, but it's okay. This is the, must be this one in the, you did it wrong.
Ta-da! This camera. Mommy, I will get. Ta-da!
See, look, if you play this one, this is the front. Opo. It's the soft one. The sharp one is in the back. At the back. Opo.
Papa.
Or see, you make a big star. Big one.
What up to you said, Mommy?
Right.
Oh, sorry, Mommy. And I did it. I tried to do it.
Opo. No, my knees are ouchy.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay, my
I
love.
have to do it.
It's not your fault.
I'm not gonna lose this. Oh, it's fell down.
Well done.
Papa, it's here.
Tanongin mo sir, nagbili niyan. Tanong mo.
Who bought this, my love?
Dada,
Oh.
man will build this.
Dada.
Yes,
Because mommy don't have.
Mommy.
Oh, mommy is.
Dad,
Oh.
Mommy, a present for you.
No present for me?
Papa,
Oh, wow. Thank you.
close your eyes and open your eyes.
Wow, what's this?
Which one?
It's a worm. Oh, no.
The one is going to eat you.
Oh, I'm so scared.
It's okay. It's a gray.
No, it's okay. It's just pretend to be a worm.
Oh, yes. I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna make a circle.
Okay. You make a square also.
I don't know how.
You know how. It's easy for you, right? Because you know already what shape is that. Remember?
Also,
Oh, see?
can I do know
Yeah.
how to make a circle? And because it's pretty.
Wow, Ellie pretty. You're so smart. Like that?
Also,
And teacher will say, good job, Hailey.
my look. I'm making a pizza.
Wow.
Pizza.
Dada's favorite.
Yeah.
Dada's favorite pizza.
Papa.
How about Ellie?